ATST, Airsoft Tactical Strike Team. Hey guys, this is King European 54 with an ATST review of my backyard airsoft gear. So first of all, I have just a normal long sleeve shirt, ski mask. I have let me get those. This is safety glasses. Then I have leather like fingers with your fingers showing, fingers cut off. And then I have just sweatpants, then regular sneakers. And then I have a airsoft. I don't really know the company. I don't know the company, but it's a Colt M1911 airsoft. It's 350 FPS. Pretty good. It's kind of accurate. It doesn't go that far, but it's kind of accurate. I have 2 mags for it. 1 mag. 2 mag. Yeah, for all your beginner airsofters out there, I recommend just like a jacket like I have, long sleeve. Oh, this is like a vest, but like long sleeve. Something to protect your face, a hood. Something to protect your face, a hood, like a wrap or something. Anything to protect your face, because it like kills when you get shot in the face. So yeah, I recommend the spring gas CO2 pistol for backyard. You could use these spring rifles. Anything that's like low grade. It's okay. Yeah, and please do not comment on, "Whoa, go get a real gun." I'll show you a real gun. I got my M4 electric and my AK-74U. Okay? There's some proof.